In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access WhatsApp backup files. We'll walk through how to find your WhatsApp backups in Google Drive on both a computer and a phone, and where the local WhatsApp files live on Android. Along the way, I'll call out what you can and can't do with these backups so you don't lose anything important. First, on a computer, open a web browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in with the Google account you use for WhatsApp. Once you're in Google Drive, look to the left sidebar and click Storage. This view shows how your cloud space is being used. Near the top right, you'll see a Backups link. Click that. Here, Google Drive lists device and app backups tied to your account. Look for an item labeled WhatsApp Messenger Backup. You'll typically see its size and when it was last updated. Keep in mind you won't be able to open or download this backup from Drive. WhatsApp backups stored in the cloud are encrypted and are only meant to be restored through the WhatsApp app itself. In this backups view, your actionable options are limited to delete backup or turn off backups, which can free up Google's storage. Be cautious, deleting or turning off backups can prevent you from restoring your chat history later. If you prefer using your phone, open the Google Drive app. From the main screen, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left to open the menu, then select Backups. Just like on the web, you'll see the WhatsApp Messenger backup entry with its size and last backup time. The same limitations apply. You can manage or remove the backup here, but you cannot open or download its contents. Only proceed with deletion if you're absolutely sure you won't need to restore your chats. Now, if you're on Android and want to find WhatsApp's local files on your device, open your file manager and navigate to internal storage, then Android, then media, then com.whatsapp, and finally WhatsApp. This is the official path where WhatsApp stores its app data, including media and local backup files created by the app. Treat anything in this folder with care. Renaming, moving, or deleting files here can break restorations or cause data loss. These local files are primarily for WhatsApp's own restore process and aren't designed to be manually opened. That's it. You now know where to locate your WhatsApp backups in Google Drive from both web and mobile, and where the local WhatsApp folder lives on Android, along with the important limits and safety tips to keep your data intact.